So I'll show you how to create a Google form for the survey for the high school students. So if you have a Gmail account, you just go to your inbox, and then you click right over here, and you can go into your Google Drive, and then you click on New right here, and then you click on More, and you go to Google Forms. But if you don't have Google Forms in this drop-down box, you might not, you probably will, you go to Connect with More Apps, and then you can search it in here. It's called Google Form. But you probably have it because it's one of the standard ones in the drop-down box. So you go to New, More, Google Forms. And then you can start making a new Google form. So, I don't know how Southeast does their email, if it's through Gmail, but if it is, you'll unclick the box that says requires Southeast email, which is, right now it says Biomed because I'm on my Biomed email, but it'll say for you, if you have your Southeast email through Gmail, it will say require Southeast login, and you're not going to want that because not all the kids are going to have a Southeast email, so you'd uncheck that box and click OK. There's an option to automatically collect the person's name when they fill it out, and you can click that. There's an option to show like the progress of the form, like as someone's filling it out, how far along they are. And you can do that if you want to. It's not really necessary unless it's super, super long. There's one that says allow one response per person, and you're probably going to want to click that. And this one, the shuffle question order, it's just so like different people get different orders of their questions. That's not totally necessary, but if you want to do that, you can. So now you title the form. Say like satisfaction with high school experience. And you title a question, so whatever question you want. You can do, I'll do a multiple choice question. So, like you could do like what graduating class you're in. And I'm just coming up with random ones to show you how to do different questions on here. And then for multiple choice, you just then type in the options. So, 2015, 2016, 2017. And then you can click Done. Right here, you can click Required Question if it's a question that you definitely want answered. And if you click this, a red star will appear next to the question. The person has to answer it in order to complete the form and submit it. Okay, and then to add another question, you click Add Item. And then you can do paragraph text question. So, you can do like, what did you like about your high school experience? And then a box for them to type their answer in will come up, and you can click Required Question if you want to. And then you click Done. On the next one, the next choice for a question is checkboxes. So, you could do, I'm trying to think of, like, what math class did you take? I'm just coming up with random ones, but and you could put in there trigonometry, calculus, statistics, and then what's the other one? Oh, pre-calc. I should know this. I'm going into pre-calculus. Okay. Okay, and then you just click done on there, and then there'll be boxes for people to check, like, what math class they took. And then the next question option is choose from a list. So, who was your favorite teacher? And then you can put in teachers' names here, who are, I'm not even there, so I'm trying to think of who. We could put Mr. Sigworth. And we can put, Mrs. Fur. Just to come up with different teachers' names to put in there to show how to do it. And then you have that question. The next one. And those are the only ones that really apply in this, I think. So now that you're done with this, you'll come down to the bottom of the form and click done. And then down here, it shows the options that are going to be on the confirmation page. So, the standard, like, thing that you would see at the end would be, your response has been recorded, and then it'll show, you probably don't want to show a link that would, make the, lead the person to the results, because then you can see, all of the results that everybody put, and I don't think you want, everybody seeing what everybody else put, so you probably wouldn't check that box, but if you do, you would check this box right here. And then the other one is to allow people who respond to edit their responses. So if you want to do that, you click that box, and then you can send the form out to whoever you want to. I'll show you how to change the theme too. So to change the theme, they have a bunch of different themes over here that you just scroll through. So you can click that, and then it'll show what it looks like. So we have that. And this is what it will look like when people go through it. So now you can send it out to whoever you want to. And then here you just enter names. So I'll put in mine. So here it's just, you put in all the names in this box, and then you can write out a message. So you can say, please fill out this form. And then you send it. And then when you go into your Google Drive now, you will see this form. So if you refresh it, it'll come up and then you click on it. To wait for it to load, and it'll show like it'll show the version that you can edit. So this is the version that you can edit, that you can work on, and then you can click View Live Form to see the form itself, what it would look like to someone who it was sent to, who's filling it out. And then if you want to view the responses, you click View Responses, and it goes to a spreadsheet of all the responses that you've gotten. So I think that's pretty much it. I hope this helps out. I just wanted to do it because you seemed interested in it. I think this is the easiest way to do it, honestly, what I think. So you can email me with any questions you have, but I just wanted to do this to help out. So I hope it helps.